Cheerful music fades out. Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Everyday Adventures. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem ordinary at first glance: grocery shopping. But trust me, there's a whole world of excitement waiting for us. Think about it. Every time you step into a store, it's like embarking on a mini expedition. You're navigating through aisles, making choices, and sometimes you stumble upon unexpected surprises.
Wow. I never thought of it that way. It's like a treasure hunt, but instead of gold, you're searching for broccoli and tangerines. Laughs.
Exactly. And speaking of broccoli, let's kick things off in the produce section. It's truly the heart of the grocery store, where you can find the freshest fruits and vegetables. I like to think of it as the vibrant garden of the supermarket.
Oh wow, that's such a great analogy. So if the produce section is the garden, what's the meat section? Is it like the butcher's block or something? Sigh.
Haha, yes. You could definitely say that. The meat section is like the butcher's block, where you find all the proteins that fuel our bodies. It's essential for a balanced diet. And let's not forget, when you're in the produce section, you can often find deals like reduced prices on bananas.
Oh, I love a good deal. It's like finding a hidden gem. But wait, what about those potato chips? I mean, they're so tempting. Laughs.
Ah, yes, the siren call of potato chips. They're definitely a guilty pleasure, but I always say moderation is key. Instead, I like to bake cookies. It's a fun activity, and you can control the ingredients.
Baking cookies sounds amazing. Do you have a secret recipe or something? Sigh.
Oh, I do. It's a simple 1 flour, sugar, and raisins. But the magic happens when you mix in a little love and creativity. You can even add chocolate chips if you're feeling adventurous.
Wow, that's so cool. It's like cooking is an art form. So when you're shopping, do you ever get sidetracked by all the different aisles? Laughs.
Absolutely. It's so easy to get distracted. 1 minute you're looking for milk, and the next, you're in the snack aisle contemplating which chips to buy. But it's all part of the experience.
Haha, right. And what about when you ask for help? Like when you're looking for beef and chicken, do you ever feel awkward? Sigh.
Oh, for sure. But asking for help is part of the adventure. It's like being on a quest, and the store employees are your guides. They know the layout better than anyone.
That's a great way to look at it. So, when you finally get to the checkout, it's like the final boss level, right? Laughs.
Exactly. You've gathered all your treasures, and now it's time to pay. And let's not forget the satisfaction of using your own reusable bags. It's a small step towards being eco-friendly.
Oh, I love that. It's like you're saving the planet one grocery trip at a time. So what's the total at the end? Sigh.
Well, in our little adventure today, it was 37. But remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the experience and the choices we make.
Wow, that's so insightful. I never thought grocery shopping could be so deep. Laughs.
Laughs. It really can be. And that's the beauty of everyday activities. They can teach us so much if we just take a moment to reflect.
I'm definitely going to look at my next grocery trip differently. Sigh.
And that's what it's all about. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Remember, the next time you hit the grocery store, think of it as your own little adventure.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun insights. Laughs.
Until next time, happy shopping. Cheerful music fades back in.